Dream collab for me, celebrity.
Even be with me, who knows?
Ain't gonna lie, I guess if we going with my him up side, I guess it would be like Cardi B, because I feel like her energy and how I could capture her fits what I do. Like, because you know she's an ex stripper. Like, respectfully, she's grown into so much more now. So I ain't putting no disrespect on name, but it's like, oh no, I'll fuck some shit up with Cardi. Huh?
Virginia House.
Yeah, I know. Oh, when you say dream collab, I think celebrity. So it's a.
I mean, but Virginia House. If you see this one day,
we both at you.
matter of fact, if Virginia House ever does come out and you.
Yeah, I've been in them DMs. I can pull you up. I got you.